To make chocolate sweets, pour 1 can of condensed milk into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of cocoa. It is better to use a bitter cocoa instead of Nesquik, as it will make the taste richer and not so cloying. Stir everything until it becomes very smooth. Add 50 grams of melted butter and mix. Grind 400 grams of plain white cookies to a uniform crumb. Partially add cookies to our creamy chocolate mass, stirring it along the way. Now take a half a tablespoon of our paste and form balls. To prepare the powder, I chopped the nuts with a knife. This time I used walnuts and pistachios. Now roll each ball in nuts. Sweet and delicious chocolate balls are ready to eat. They taste exactly like I remember them from my childhood. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal!